Good morning, everyone. Camera Kid 92 here. So it is the morning after Winter Storm Jonas has hit. Apparently, yeah, they name winter storms now. I don't know. That's a new thing. But I figured, what the heck? I'm going to go outside. I'm going to investigate how much snow Winter Storm Jonas left. And I'm going to bring you guys with me. So yeah, let's get this started. So I'm in my basement right now. And yeah, let's open the door and see what happened. Oh, oh, this is, quite a good amount of snow. Holy moly. Oh, God. My steps are like non-existent. Oh, God. Oh, it's so bright. I need my sunglasses, but they're in my car, which is all the way over there. Wow. Well, looks like a bit more than a light dusting, I'd say. Whew. This giant drift here. Oh my God. Where the heck are we gonna put all this? So, here's my driveway. It doesn't look like I'm going anywhere today. So yeah, it looks like we got about I think I heard that we got like 30 inches of snow in my area. It's pretty crazy. Oh my gosh. I can't tell you the last time I've seen this much snow. Well, at least I don't have to clean my car off. I guess I'll start my car. I haven't started it since the since the storm. Kick off the snow as best as I can. My sunglasses. Oh no, they're not in there. Crap. Where are they? Whatever. Okay, let's continue our trek. I got my sunglasses. Oh my gosh. Guys, the snow's so deep, it's going up to my knees. Yeah, I don't know when I'm gonna be able to leave. Hopefully they're gonna come here with a tractor to plow this. I still don't understand why people find this much snow fun, even though I'll admit it is pretty interesting. I wouldn't want this all the time. Maybe this can be enough snow for the whole season or the next forever. Yeah. If you guys want a good workout, just walk through 3 feet of snow. You will burn all the calories of the cookies and stuff that you made when you're snowed in no time. Yeah. I'm gonna go up to the road eventually and see what it looks like. Oh. Phew. Okay. That was a good amount of cardio for today. Wow. This is the road. Oh my God. Jeez. Oh, we made it, you guys. But here you can see how deep the snow is. Wow. Whew. It's really funny hearing all the snow blowers go off. They all sound like all these bugs. Yay, we're saved. We're plowed. I can actually go places. This is great. Thank you to the farmer man who helped plow the driveway. You're awesome. But yeah, thankfully I can actually get out because I was only in my house for like one day, but I was already starting to get like cabin fever. I'm like, oh, I'm going crazy. I need to go do something. So it's good that I can get out and do stuff now. So I'm gonna go dig the rest of my car out. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. And I don't know what else to say, so hit me up in the comments if you guys were affected by the storm. What do you think of snow? Do you like it? Do you not? Yeah. Alright guys, I'll see you later. Camera K92 signing out.